Today I'm going to be showing how to restart your computer in Windows 10. So it pretty much goes without saying this is a pretty simple and basic tutorial. However, I did feel the need that people might be tempted to shut down their computers every time they run an update and they don't realize they actually have the option to restart their computers. And you never know. I don't really want to alienate anybody from this channel, so we're very inclusive here. And I just wanted to make a brief tutorial showing how to restart your computer in Windows 10. So we're going to just jump into what I feel to be the easiest and quickest way to do it, and that would be to head over to the Start button, and you want to left click on it. It's at the bottom left corner of our screen. And then you want to left click on the power option. It should be right above all apps. So it's pretty close to the bottom and it has a little power icon next to it. So left click on that. And then we see we have a few different options here. You want to left click on the option that says restart. If you hover over with your mouse, it'll say closes all apps, turns off the PC, and then turns it on again. So what you want to do is select this option. So your computer will begin to restart here. Just give it a couple moments. It'll be as though your computer is shutting down and turning back on without you manually having to turn the power back on. So just be patient. Okay, so then once the computer is restarted, you can sign back in like you normally would, and you should be good to go. So I hope you guys learned something today, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.